As far as the sisters who wear the clothing so tight that they might as well not have anything on, I really don't think anything even needs to be said about that. Because what is the purpose of, wearing something that is going to hug everything? Hadith speaks about that. Covering and not covering. That's not covering. If it's showing all of your curves, if it's showing everything, then it's not. It's not setting you aside. A lot of women today, in particular, non-Muslim women, wear long dresses. Okay, what sets us aside? What sets us aside is the fact both men and women, both men and women, we don't wear the clothes that makes us to be sexually desirable to other people. We don't try to excite the physical, the libido. We want to excite the mind. We want to excite the spirit, not the base physical, because the base physical is a temporary thing. It's not something that lasts very long anyway. Any woman who walks around in tight clothes and thinks they're wearing hijab, if they have a scarf on their head, they still haven't achieved the idea of what hijab is all about. And they're still not setting themselves aside. They're still not respecting themselves. They're still not showing their own confidence in Islam and their own confidence in what Allah has ordered. Everything that Allah has given to us is of benefit to us. Everything. There is not one thing that Allah has permitted that does not have benefit for us in it. What He has ordered is absolutely the best for us and cannot be questioned in any way. And to question that is to say that Allah is not all-knowing, Allah is not all-wise, Allah is not omnipotent. It is to make Allah less than what He is.
There's a question here.